Good morning to us.
Good morning.
Before you, I will be your facilitator for this course unit. My name is Joseph Pichu, and today we are going to do two papers. I believe you are all eager to start this lesson of today. It is engaging and hands-on and things. Okay, before we start, I would like to look what is in front of us, and one of you will state and will continue. For example, this it is called the triple stand, and here we will mount our damping level. And talking about the damping level, this will be the instrument that will be mounted here. So this is what we call the damping level. Besides that, we will also use another instrument for our readings, and that instrument it is what we call the leveling staff. We are just like this when reading. We will see it uses when we start the experiment. Besides that, we will also use from the topic of today. The topic of today, we are going to learn about two peg tests. So these are the pegs that we are talking about, and this is the mantle that we will use to write the nails in the ground. So as we are going to start, I would like to have two representatives, a male and a female. So help me to unground the staff, one staff, so that we can start with you. And second, I would like two volunteers, a male and a female. And yeah, as our colleagues continue to do their mounting and take before taking it where I will tell them, we also have this instrument. We call it definition. So let's make this our starting point. Sheila, come, and Joffrey, come. Help her to mount the peg. Before you don't bring fast. Mount the peg to the ground to any like. Let the man do the hammering because he has. Okay. So this peg that Geoffrey has mounted, we'll call it peg A. Okay. So another individual will, because we are the distance that I was wanting to ask to take from peg A to our next point that we mount, peg B, it will be 16, and we have only the calculation for 5 feet. And we'll use our creativity. We'll first take the readings from peg A to our midpoint peg. Our midpoint where the instrument will be set 4 meters, and then from this center to where the peg B will be another 4 meters. So as we are preparing to do that, where is your fellow colleague? So measure from peg A to the midpoint. Don't mark. I could like to. Can I get another point? This other peg will be our midpoint. 4 meters. No, until let it be vertical point. This other peg that your fellow colleague is holding, that will be the midpoint where the instrument will be until measure until 4 meters. 4 meters. 4 meters. So as that, so you are still your fellow colleague will measure the same distance from there to here to where peg B will be. So as everything is continuing, I want you to realize something. I want you to understand that the main reason for doing this is to remove errors. That is the main reason we are doing the two-page test. So as the work has been concluded, now we want to mod this. So please, Marcus, come with the triple stand. So this will be our midpoint. So make sure this point here, here it is measured at it is the center. Make sure, let us use the plumb board to make sure the peg is at the center. Yeah, now the peg is at the center, and that is the main reason why we want to do that. Now let us mold the dumping level to the tripod, so with the triple stand. As your colleagues are doing that, I could like the rest of you to come here, to come this side. Now after we have mounted the dumping level to the triple stand, the next thing that we are going to do is to center the bubble tube to the center. Yeah. Now the bubble tube is at the center. So that we can be on good, I could like you to come, and every student to come and check if the bubble is at the center, because these are the crucial things that we have to do so that we eliminate the error successfully. Now you have confirmed that the bubble is at the center. The next thing that we will be doing before we go to the next step, you have confirmed from here to point A is 4 meters. From, please come this side. We should not. From here to point B is
4 meters.
Exactly. So the next thing that we are going to do is to read the readings. And what will help us to read the readings? It is not only the dumping level, but the leveling staff. So, Zablon, come. Take this leveling staff to point A. Give me my So, when we were in class, we read about things like the reading that we took in, now we are taking the field. And the three readings that we are trying to take is their back side, intermediate side, and foresight. But in our today's lesson, we will not be taking intermediate side. We will only focus on two readings, that are the back side and the foresight. As this is she's continuing, she will go and start with the peg B. Marcus, come and read the readings. As Marcus Marcus is continue, I want the fellow student to also continue to take As Marcus is continuing, I want the fellow student to also come and confirm the reading. I want every student to confirm. Okay, now as Sheila, have you checked the readings? Good. Let your fellow colleagues also have the moment with the calculator. I know many of you are wanting to be surveyors in future, or builders. Okay. Yeah. Now, as you have read through the leveling stuff, our first reading is 1.283. That will be the backside. Okay. Now our leveling staff person will go to page B. Please, I need us to have one class. One class. Now, leveling person, you take your stuff to peg B. Take your stuff to peg B. Now rotate to peg B. Now let us be involved with us as we did from peg A. Let's do the same to peg B. No, put the stuff on the top of the peg. I see now you are enjoying the class. This is the best session that we experience as engineers, as surveyors, because here we do things practical, not theoretical anymore. So. So, hope you will realize the reading that you are now taking, it is called foresight. The reading you are now taking is called foresight. And if I may ask, because the reading we are taking is the foresight, what next step are we going to do? Congratulations. I see there are some students who have read already. Arika, what is the reading that you are getting from the staff level? So, Geoffrey, have you read from the staff? Yes. Okay. Kate, have you?
Yes.
Okay. Now we are going to shift our staff beyond point peg B. Beyond peg B. So it can be here. At any point or beyond. It does not have any specification distance. It can be there. It can be there. So let the center come with that peg at the center. That it will help us in terms of alignment. Because the staff should align. The staff should align with peg B. Should align with peg B. Now I see I have a genetic and motivated student. Let's now center the bubble at the center. Now we are going to read. We are going to read. Please, fellow colleagues, stay there. So now we are going to take the second reading. So the first reading, we have extended the damping level from where it was to the point beyond peg B. Now the first reading that we are going to read now is called
Backside.
True. Before we take this reading, I want us to do some calculation, a bit calculation. We have to take the foresight from the back side to get what?
Error.
Yeah, the reason is to get error, but the main reason is to get the height difference of. Okay, now we are going to take the reading. That the first reading that we are going to take from point peg B, they are called the backside, correct. Now, starting from Geoffrey, take the readings. So, as Geoffrey is continuing to take the readings, the reason why we do this, the reason why we take errors is to, when we go to the next lesson, which is called leveling, it could be easy because one thing adds to another. So the reason why we are doing this error elimination two-peg test is so that we can have smooth journey when we go to our next session, which will be next week. We will be doing our leveling as professionals. Okay? Do faster so that your fellow colleagues can take the level too. So, Marika, what is the reading you have? 3.2. Let me confirm what you are telling me. Right? Now, that reading that you have read, 1.2, that is the reading we are calling the backside, our second backside. So our staff person, return to page 8. No, we ought to stay here because here is where our work is moving. So we do the checking now. We do the checking. As your fellow colleagues is doing, I would like you to group yourself in a group of 3, and you go and set out the next. You take the dumping level there, you set it there. You start the procedure we have done so that I can see that you have learned. So go take the dumping level, the trading spot, the pegs, and here is the marking. Go and redo there. The same, let's do everything the same. The distance to the center 4, the distance from the center to peg B 4. So that I know that you have understood what I have taught you. So I want you to do it on yourself to see that as they are continuing, the other group that was there with me will stay here. So I need to see that you have understood. Now I'm seeing that you are really got the concept. So, as your fellow colleagues they are trying to do, let's see if this group 2 gains something from what we have done. let's do, let's hurry up because we don't have time. I know you are enjoying the moment in the field, but we don't have the moment. So they are continuing. So this, the first reading we are reading is called backside.
25.
So, yeah, wow. I see everything is going well. Now, that is the first reading. So we'll go. We'll shift to the next peg B. Let's shift to peg B. We don't have time. Let's shift to peg B. Let's do the same. Just say what you are seeing. Congratulations. So now we are shifting the damping level to a point beyond peg B. So your fellow colleagues do let's take the triple stand, the instrument to the point beyond peg B. So the first reading that Marcus will take, you have to say it is called
Backside.
correct. So exactly. Now go beyond peg B. Another individual to come and read. So that reading we call Elikana. What is the reading that Sheila is taking? What is the reading we call? The reading that Sheila was taking. It is called the foresight because yeah, correct. Now after everything is done, let's come together. Come together. Give me my paper to see. Now after you have gotten these answers, the backside and the foresight, the second thing that we will do is we will sum the backside. We'll sum the backside, summation of backside, plus, and then we will sum the foresight. After summing the backside and the foresight, we'll take the summation of the foresight minus the summation of the backside to get the error that we are looking. So, as we are continuing to do the summation, go and take me my card. One. Oh, yeah, that one. So, Elikana, come here. Help Jofi to on. So, today we have set the level, and then we have taken the reading, and we have took the reading. So, the experiment of the assignment of the today, it will be state the main purpose of carrying out two peg tests. That will be I will award 2 marks, and define the 2 peg test. That is another 2 marks. I will like to receive the assignment next week from your class representative. So as we are concluding the lesson, I would like to know what you as individuals have learned from our lesson of today. So let's start with Sheila.
I've learned how to carry out the 2 peg test.
Okay, let's go to Marcus. What have you learned?
I've learned how to take the
Okay, let's go to Kaika. What have you learned?
I've learned how to centering the back of the damping level and also focusing the islands of the arrow and taking the 2 peg test measurements.
Ruth?
I've learned how to take the 2 peg test.
Now Elikana, the last person.
Plan now to take levels, keeping the stuff.
Alright, so I think we will be concluding from that lesson till we meet to the next lesson that we come to do the actual work leveling. So let's see you in the next lesson.